Hi, I'm Barb Sherer. Happy holidays. While the holidays are a wonderful time to catch up with family and friends that you might not see that often and to enjoy a holiday meals and that dinner table conversation we all know can be awkward. I promise you that this is not going to be a video about politics because politics do not get discussed at my dining room table. However, awkward things do get discussed. For instance, what's going to happen with the family member who might not be able to care for themselves? How are you going to care for an elderly family member? Who's going to pay for their nursing care? And ultimately, these thoughts lead to what's going to happen to my things, my property, when I'm no longer here. Do you have a will? Do you have an estate plan? I know that nobody wants to think about that at this wonderful time of the year, but unfortunately it is something that you should think about. Because if you don't make the choice and if you don't have your requests in writing, the choice could be made for you. At Sherer Law Offices, we do estate planning. We will talk to you about this. Please visit us today and call us at 692-6656 and have a happy holidays and have a really wonderful and relaxing holiday meal.